Hello friends, we are in last lecture we have completed all theoretical part of the second unit, first law of thermodynamics, and we have covered all processes. Let me start numericals from the question paper, university question paper. Simple numericals. I'll read here. A mass of 0.8 kg at 1 bar and 25 degrees Celsius is contained in a gas tight frictionless piston cylinder device. The air is now compressed to a final pressure of 5 bar. During the process, heat is transferred from the air such that the temperature inside the cylinder is constant. Underline this line, right? Sentence. Calculate the heat transfer and work done during process and direction of each in the process. Very simple numericals. What this line implies, that is this is isothermal process. So very simple numericals will ask in your examination for 8 marks, right? First, which is this process? Isothermal process. Then write the data. M is equals to 0.8 kg. P1 1 bar into 10 raised to 5, we have to convert in Newton per meter square. T1 is equals to 25 degrees Celsius, it is constant, so T2 is equals to T1. P2 is equals to 5 bar into 5 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. We have in the isothermal process Q is equals to delta U plus W, where delta U is equals to 0 because it is isothermal process. So Q is equals to W. This we have the formula. Q is equals to W is equals to MRT1 log of P1 by P2. Put the values. 0.8 into 0.287 into 25 log of 1 divided by 5, right? Then value of each 5.74 into minus 1.60, which is equals to minus 9.8184. This is Q is equals to W, right? This is the final answer. But in the question, he asked direction of each in the process, right? Suppose this is the system or process. We have to find out the direction. Q negative, that means this is Q negative, and work also negative, this is work, that is work done on the system or work done in the process and heat transferred by the process. These are the directions of the work and heat. These are the directions. A very simple numerical. Let's start another numerical. Okay, see here. A certain gas occupies a volume of 0.3 meter cube at a pressure 2 bar, right? What is given? Volume and pressure. The temperature of the gas at this state is 77 degrees Celsius. Temperature also given. The gas undergoes a thermodynamic constant volume process. Which is this process? Constant volume, until the pressure rise to 7 bar. What is the pressure? 7 bar. Determine the temperature at the end of process. Work done, heat transfer, change in internal energy, change in enthalpy and change in entropy. Cv is equals to 0.712 and R is equals to 0.287. Represent the process on PVTS plane. This is a very simple question, but the explanation or description is very large, right? When you got one answer, that answer may be for 2 quantities, okay, in this process. So first of all, we represent this process on PVTS plane. Which is this process? Constant volume process. This is 1, this is 2, this is PV, and this is TS. This is 1 and this is 2. This is S and T, right? This is representation, right? P1 and P2. Then we have to write down the data, given data. What is given first? V1 is equals to 0.3 meter cube. It is constant, which is equals to V2 is equals to V, right? P1 is equals to 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. T1 is equals to 77 degrees Celsius. Then P2 is equals to 7 into 10 raised to 5, right? Then we have to find out the T2. So by the constant or Charles law, we have P2 by T2 is equals to P1 by T1. Put the values. Then T2 is equals to P2 by P1 into T1, which is equals to 7 by 2 into 77, which is equals to 269.5. This is the value of T2. Very simple. Then Q is equals to, in this we have a formula MCV T2 minus T1. Here M is not given, so consider it is unit one for this. Then CV 0.712 into bracket 269.5 minus 77, which is equals to 137.06. This is Q. This is Q, right? What about W? In the constant volume process, W is equals to 0. W is equals to 0. So change in internal energy is equals to Q, which is equals to 137.06 kilojoule, right? That one answer gives two quantities. Then delta H is equals to MCP into bracket T2 minus T1, where M is unit and Cp is equals to, for the Cp we have given R is equals to Cp minus Cv. So Cp is equals to R plus Cv. R plus Cv. What is the value of R? Then the Cp value 0.999. So delta H, that is change in enthalpy, is equals to 0.999 into 269.5 minus 77 is equals to 192.34 delta H, value of delta H. And we have delta S, that is change in entropy. Change in entropy is equals to Cv log of T2 by T1. So it become 0.8919 delta S. These are the values of each quantity in the process. Very simple numericals will ask for your examination. You have to solve each numerical from the your notebook. If you got any problem, you can contact me on my mobile, right? Next we will discuss about the another example from book. Okay, next lecture we discuss about exam question papers, and the next chapter will start day after tomorrow. Thank you.